Ready to shed those extra pounds? It's easier than you think. Believe it or not, your thoughts shape your body. First, visualize your ideal self. Picture it daily. Next, use positive affirmations. Say, I'm strong, I'm healthy, I'm fit. Do this every morning. Finally, set small, achievable goals. Each success builds momentum. Your conscious mind sets the intention, and your subconscious mind makes it happen. Studies show that positive thinking can boost your metabolism. So ditch the doubt and embrace the power of your mind. Remember, consistency is key. Reprogram your thoughts and watch the weight fall off. You've got this. Believe in yourself and let your mind lead the way. Stay positive, stay focused, and see the changes. Mind power for weight loss? It's real, it's simple, and it works. Now go out there and crush it. Your mind is your strongest muscle. You can get Richard Manti's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight from his website richardmanti.com and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, share, and subscribe to get future amazing videos. Thank you for watching.